Nagabintagi kubol pamantasni kay subscribe ya u Antor News.
Ya ke jengele kai tiet ball golf jenggi pulit baru kervi India lapen kut menha ke arfulai terik urimpang arhajar arphusau. Ya ketika jengle kai ke 27 All India Police Golf Tournament lapelong ya ke belas dang nadu ke arfu arbat arfulai terik urimpang ha ke bahadu nyop hutam ki officer pulit kilashim benta. Ha ke jengele kai belayo ya ke nam jengjom layo da ke Jammu Kashmir Police State ha ke balakur hadu shispa sanpusan point. Ya ke nam ba ar lara da ke Punjab Police Team da ke bayo kur shispa live ho kendai point. Ya ke khusnam jogi nongjob la sam dok menteri rang ba ke jela u konrad ke sangma kum u kongsan ya ke bala donlang u ba prestun tensong u menteri ke Tnad kampo yeng ke jela kum u sembut kongsan. Ya kabala sunran de DGP u Dr. Lalja R. Bishnoi IPS but uba DP Waklang Chief Secretary IAS. Syuk ya ke jingpen kut bat sam khusnam la pensyong shit da ka kinhun jong Tnad pulit ke jela.
अच्छा जीवन डरता है ना
Bishnoi to kindly deliver the inaugural address.
Honorable Chief Minister Meghalaya, Sri Conrad K. Sangma, Western Tim Songs, other invited guests, dignitaries from various states and organizations, and my dear colleague. First of all, of his hectic schedule due to ongoing assembly budget session. He is not only
All honored participants, it gives me great pleasure to grace prize distribution ceremony for the 27th All India
Sri Conrad K. Sangma.
The winner also receives a gift voucher for 3 nights 4 days stay for a couple.
The award includes individual rewards and congratulations to the winner. That is the running trophy. The samosa. The next.
DGP. I remember him coming a few months back to me and really discussing with me about this tournament and saying this is a very prestigious tournament and a lot of efforts need to be done to make things to the standard. And I'm sure that he has done his best and I would like to congratulate him and the entire organizing committee for his wonderful efforts. I also would like to congratulate and thank all of you, all the participants, because without you, this tournament would be meaningless. So therefore, it's wonderful to have all of you, and I also take this opportunity to welcome you all to our state. As our DGP has mentioned in his speech, that we have been trying to really push sports to a new level because we strongly believe that sports is a very, very integral part of not just for police personnel, but for every single citizen and especially the youth of our state and of our country. And therefore, if you've seen in the last 52 years of our statehood, you will not believe that Meghalaya has hosted only 5 Meghalaya Games for the last 52 years. And out of the 5 Meghalaya Games, 3 of them have happened during this last 4 years. So, the first one was in 2001, second one is 2004, and third one was in 2019. And then fourth one was last year, and then last year we had this one. So, fifth one. Similarly, Meghalaya has also been very proactive in hosting the Northeast Olympics. In fact, we had the best Northeast Olympics ever, which was hosted here in Shillong by the state of Meghalaya. And all national tournaments like the table tennis tournament, like the boxing tournament, and even the Khelo India program that's happening right now, very, very frequently and very aggressively, we have been hosting tournaments. And not only tournaments, we are very aggressively moving forward even in terms of the infrastructure that we are creating for these sports. You'll be happy to know that the infrastructure created in the last 5 years is more than the infrastructure created in the last 20 years in our state. And large number of stadiums is coming up, and all golf lovers will be happy to know that we'll be coming up with a second golf course also in Shillong. I announced it just yesterday in my budget speech. So we'll be having another golf course coming up very soon. And therefore there is a lot of push to sports and to overall fitness by the state government. And this again, hosting this tournament is also one example, small example of the kind of enthusiasm and support and the kind of way we would like to push sports in our state.
In this particular tournament in our state from different parts of India. Well friends, I don't want to take much time. The 27th All India Police Golf Tournament 2023, 24 that has happened in our state. I would like to tell you, when you go back from our state, please go back with sweet memories. You need to do one thing, Dr. Bisnoy is the best entertainer and the best person to provide you the maximum hospitality. So therefore, I would request you to carry these sweet memories to your respective states, to your respective places. And I'm sure tonight the prize distribution is being prepared and will be given to all their deserving offer. So my message is, it is not just because of the prize distribution, but I think the tournament that is happening maybe every year, we should carry the message of unity and the responsibility as policemen, protecting and policing the nation. A lovely nation grows from year to year, and I'm sure you are the one who is part of it to make sure that our nation is safe and also grows with prosperity. So once again, I don't want to talk much. Once again, I congratulate to this tournament and being the ending part. I wish you
72 participants took part with tremendous enthusiasm. We are thrilled to see a galaxy of esteemed participants here. I am sure they learn from one another, and after gaining experience here, their skill can be further fine-tuned for the 28th edition of All India Police Golf Tournament. Yesterday, sudden rain was cause of concern, but luckily the weather was on our side today. It was sunny day and the sun sprinkled its brightness on the cheerful faces of all the participants. You might have seen overcast sky in your respective states, but darkness at noon by hovering dark grey clouds here might have been special sighting for many of you. Today, you might have caught glimpses of the rising and setting sun in the picturesque golf course. The beautiful ambience of the golf course presented absolute serenity.